50 everyday sentences using could to enhance your English skills. These sentences illustrate how could is used to express possibility, ability, or suggestions in daily scenarios. 1. I could help you with your project. 2. She could play the piano when she was 5. 3. We could go to the park later. 4. He could solve the puzzle quickly. 5. They could join us for dinner tonight. 6. I could hear the birds singing outside. 7. You could improve your grades with practice. 8. She could become a great artist one day. 9. We could take a different route to avoid traffic. 10. He could lift the heavy box by himself. 11. I could smell the flowers from the garden. 12. They could win the match with better preparation. 13. She could bake a cake for the party. 14. We could watch a movie after dinner. 15. He could learn a new language if he tried. 16. You could ask the teacher for help. 17. I could not believe what I heard. 18. She could fix the car if she had the tools. 19. They could arrive earlier than expected. 20. We could have lunch at the new cafe. 21. He could play soccer better than anyone else. 22. I could see the mountains from the window. 23. You could take the bus instead of driving. 24. She could dance beautifully when she was younger. 25. We could invite them to the wedding. 26. He could complete the task before the deadline. 27. I could use some advice right now. 28. They could borrow my bike for the day. 29. She could answer all the questions correctly. 30. You could save money by shopping online. 31. I could feel the cold wind on my face. 32. He could travel the world if he wanted to. 33. We could stay longer if it wasn't raining. 34. They could help us organize the event. 35. She could read books all day without getting bored. 36. You could try a new recipe for dinner. 37. I could swim for hours when I was a child. 38. He could fix the computer if he had more time. 39. We could explore the nearby town this weekend. 40. They could sing beautifully as a choir. 41. She could draw stunning portraits in minutes. 42. You could ask your boss for a raise. 43. I could not find my keys this morning. 44. He could always make everyone laugh. 45. We could visit the museum on our way home. 46. They could work together to finish the project faster. 47. She could remember every detail of the conversation. 48. I could take care of the plants while you're away. 49. He could carry the groceries to the car for you. 50. We could learn so much from our mistakes.